Well, we have a breaking update coming in, and this is being reported from Udupi there. A pedestrian who was left critically injured after being run over by a crane in a shocking incident that has now been reported. Navya, if you can give us the details there, what has happened and what is, as far as when it comes to the individual's condition there, because the crane driver is believed to have fled the scene after this incident happened. Navya?
Well, of course, you see the pedestrian was critically injured. Well, of course, you see the pedestrian was critically injured after he was trying to walk along the way, and while during this the crane ran over him while the crane was trying to make way for the oncoming car, and during this the pedestrian was literally struck between the wheels and was severely injured and was immediately taken to the hospital, while the crane driver is allegedly said to have fled the scene. The police are investigating in this matter and looking for the driver as well. While we are learning that the pedestrian is under critical condition right now and is hospitalized.
All right. So as far as the person there you see the pictures that have now come in, very shocking pictures being reported from Udupi. As the person, what is being said that he has sustained critical injuries there as he was rushed to the hospital. However, the crane driver seems to have fled from the scene, and the police are on the lookout for him currently. Navya, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We'll get you updates on this story and much more lined up on the other side of a short.